Hello folks, we're now going to take a little trip to the garden centre. We're going to go and look at some seed trays, and we're going to go and look at some compost as well. So we're going to now head off, do a little trip. So we're going to look for some decent seed trays. We want the ones with the lids. So what we're going to do is head off to Down County Garden Store. I've used their trays before and they're not too bad, especially when it comes to price wise as well. So lovely day, glorious day. We'll leave the garden till tomorrow because it's a bit wet today. So really what I ought to have done is just gone out there this morning and just moved some about so I could just haze over a bit. And so we're able to get on that tomorrow. I haven't been going too bad just lately. So getting caught up on the local farm. So getting wheat in and that. So that's all go up until Christmas. Got to choose a fertiliser as well. So we're gonna not too sure on what we're sort of gonna choose at the minute. So that's really about price wise again. You know, I mean, I don't want I don't want like crappy stuff. I want some decent stuff. But I haven't seen Mr. Fothergill's about, so what we'll do is we will pop to the garden centre where we're now going, and we will have a look there. We've got to pick up a post and a bag of K-post for our fence that's gone down over the last few weeks with the winds and that. That's looks like we've had an F5 just go whirling through our garden. That's knocked fences over, so got to get that fixed. Got leaves to pick up, we've got cultivators to finish making. So we've got enough to do at weekends, so we've got enough to keep us busy. So we'll go where do we go to first? Probably go and pick up post first. We're also going to have a new member join our team, so they're sort of going to be working the polytunnel mainly. So all will be revealed in the next few weeks. So they came with us. They had this year with us, this growing year with us, and I didn't do too bad. I didn't have a too bad as a growing year. I just struggled a bit this year with their peppers and that because the weather we had. So it got a bit hot. Well, it got quite hot actually. Not a bit hot, quite fucking hot. Excuse my language just there. Peppers just raced on and they didn't come to nothing. So gonna do it again this year, but now they've joined our team as part of our polytunnel team. So we've got a bit of work to do in there. So he will be in the videos. So he'll be making his appearance soon. Matter of fact, I can ask him what peppers and tomatoes he's going to grow this year. So, what peppers and tomatoes are you sort of going to grow this year?
Green peppers.
Yeah, what peppers are they?
Hot ones.
Yeah? What variety is that?
I haven't thought that yet.
He hasn't decided what pepper varieties he's going to grow. What particular varieties do you like then?
Sweet ones.
Sweet peppers. Which ones, like the cayenne chili pepper?
Yeah.
They're quite sweet. So, what tomato varieties have you chosen?
Check out the boat.
So,
Check out the boats.
they like gigantamo peppers, or actually tomatoes, and they produce up to 2 to 3, was it kilogram fruits?
£6 is the biggest one.
£6 is the biggest fruit. Okay. So, I'm going to try them again this year, but he'll be in charge of the Gigantamo and I shall be in charge of the F1 breeds. So, that's problem is, I don't think you can you get the seed for them?
Yeah.
Oh, we can get the seed for them. The problem is when we had them as plants from Marshalls, when they got delivered, the postman didn't, he just chucked them through the window and they got damaged. But tomatoes actually didn't do too bad. We got 2 decent size, about the size of my hand. So, we did alright on that one. But that's all for now, folks. We're now gonna, when we get to the garden centre, we'll either take the camcorder in there, or we will take some pictures of the seed trays that we've chosen, and then we will whack on the old video when it comes to go on YouTube. That's all for now, folks. See you later. Hello folks, we're back again. I've just been to Down in County Garden Store and we've just done our we just bought our seed trays. We've got, what have we got in the back here? We've got Grow It seed and plant growing kit. We've got 4 of these, so there's 3 in a pack. Okay, so there'll be 3 for the sweet corn, 3 for the red beet, there'll be 3 for the onions, okay, and there will be 2 or 1 for the tomatoes and peppers. But I think I'll probably be about 3, just in case some don't grow. So we've got the seed trays now, okay. So what we're gonna have to do now is we've got to get seed labels, okay. And then just got to get the seed compost and everything that gets added to that. And we've also got a little surprise. We got F1 Gigantamo. 6 seeds, average, $3.99 F1, Thompson and Morgan. So RHS Award of Garden Merit. So you know when that's got that on, you know that that is the bee's knees. So when it comes to doing this, we are going to take extreme precaution, okay? Because the fruits on this can weigh up to £6. Now how good is that? £6, the world's largest tomato. So it says on the back here, your satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. So this really ought to live up to what I've paid for. I know I've paid $3.99, but if that's a $3.99 load of crap, that can go. Okay. So it says on the back here, feed your family with one tomato. This incredible new beefsteak tomato is the world's largest variety. Full of flavour, meaty flesh, and a must for tomato enthusiasts. So, you know when you've got one of these, you know it could be good. Depends on what you do and how you plant it. Beefsteak tomato meaty flesh produces tomatoes weighing up to 500 grams, 1.5 kilogram, or £1 and £3 each. Ideal for the greenhouse, kitchen, or garden patio. So there it is. Okay, I don't know if you can all see it. Gigantamo. So we will crack on with this sooner than later. We are at the dawn of a new age, my friends. The dawn of a new era. We are looking to modernise ourselves. So I am just going to get my trusted colleague in here so he can just talk about what he's going to grow this year. Chris? Shut the door and have your say, on.
About what?
Well, your tomatoes and peppers, what are you going to grow, con?
My name today is Chris Lloyd. I'm going to grow some tomatoes and peppers.
What variety are you going to grow?
Big Daddy Gigantamo.
Okay. What seed compost are you going to use?
Tom, alright?
The seed compost.
I haven't thought about that one.
Okay. So you've heard it from the man himself. He's going to be growing some Gigantamos with us. We're going to do half each. Okay. So what we're going to do, he's going to grow peppers and tomatoes, and I'm going to do the same. So he'll have one half, and I'll have the other. So he isn't too keen to make videos, but I'm pretty sure once I get him out into doing them, you know, he'll be all right with it. So what do you hope to achieve from your tomatoes and peppers that you aim to grow? What do you hope to achieve?
Create a really big success.
You've heard it from the man himself. Okay, so what, do you hope to get really big fruits? Are you looking to buy your tomato plants, or are you going to grow them from seed?
I might buy them for tomato plants.
Okay. So you've heard it from the man himself, folks. So on that note, folks, we are going to pop and see Mr. McGregor and see about some seed compost. So on that note, folks, we will catch up with you very soon. See you later.